Okay, this time, kids, listen. Everybody listen, please. Okay, everybody listen. Every time we had a birthday party here at McDonald's, we have a magic word. Okay, this afternoon, our magic word are Happy Birthday, Alisa. Everybody shout.
Happy birthday, Alisa.
Okay, again, louder.
Happy birthday, Alisa.
Okay, very good. So this time, kids, si Alisa, ma-burst ng iyang giant balloon. Inside the giant balloon, a lot of candies. Okay, sino gusto magdaw mga candies? Okay, before they mag-burst, everybody shout the magic word first. Everybody shout the magic word.
Happy birthday, Alisa.
Again, louder.
Happy birthday, Alisa.
Okay, Alisa, go. Okay, one more. Another one, Alisa. Another one.
You sing the name of today's birthday kid. Got it? It's your birthday at McDonald's.
Everybody wave.
So
Wave. Following the number. Thumbs up for Alisa.
silly song.
And one more. Drop the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and turn around. Okay, again.
Everybody, it's your birthday. How old are you? How old?
Wave.
Thumbs up. Make a silly sound. And one more. Tap the floor.
And turn around. Okay, very good.
It's your birthday. That's why we're singing.
Wave. Everybody wave.
Everybody.
Wave. Thumbs up for Alisa. Make a silly sound. Add one more. Drop the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and shake it all around.
Big finish. It's your birthday. That's why we're singing.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you very much, Kid McDonald. This time, slowly. Shout the magic word. Shout the magic word. Okay, who else? Okay. So please form one line for the girls and one line for the boys. Get your prize here. 3 young girls, 3 young girls, 3 young boys. Okay. Okay, get your prize. Sino ba wala kang prize? Okay. So everybody, please go back here in the center. All the kids, please go back here. Go here in the center. We are going to sing a very special birthday song for Alisa. Okay. So before the mag-sing, I want all the kids to please close your eyes first. Everybody close your eyes and make a wish for Alisa. Ang wala kang close yung eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Also, Alisa, close your eyes and make a wish for yourself. Close your eyes and make a wish. Alisa. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Happy birthday, Alisa. Again, Pastor louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alisa. Okay, Alisa, blow your candle now. Another one. Okay, everybody, let's clap our hands for Alisa. Okay, may I request all of you to please go back to your seats now?